Yeah, international.
Godmother no wake me. Godmother be akia. Iye go mwa kawe mama. Iye go mwa kawe mama o. Agbi kawe biya o. Iye go mwa kawe re.
Igata patanwe.
Igati patanwe. So far no more we we mama o.
Olivia we ni o.
Asakata. Papa will smile.
Wani ekele. Wani kaore. In fact, Olivia we mama o. Olivia we ni o.
Olivia no we.
Ekamota me kuwe.
Olivia so.
Olivia mama ni na gogo. Mama tole gira. Mama tole gira. Okwe ni shato me ayo.
Let's enjoy this weekend with Woto. We Woto.
Benu yaume o. Imaye lokia no ume.
Becky love. Breaking news. Breaking news. Fast. Breaking news. Frankie Olivia we malo.
Olivia we yo. Iya omoja. Eni ya bio. Ima ele Olivia we yo. Frankie Olivia.
I know my drink.
Siatame aye, ifaki siatame ane o, na wo Olivia me mame o.
Olivia patronat.
Godmother me weki,
Godmother me tenom to pa.
Na wogo, iseti
Olivia me mame o.
Nugalele o, na Olivia me mame. When you get down, when the down, when you Olivia me mame. Let's go there.
Becky no more. Get when I will Becky no more. Becky, always set. Always there. La share video. Becky no more. Mujade, c'est la viande.
Becky amone kwenu leli amo. kwela mwe o Becky, Becky amane kwenu eli amo. Kwela mwe mane kwenu eli amo. Kwela mwe mane kwenu eli amo. Becky ni safo o ni sae. Ko ate nu de ta me o. Ipe bonoko komo nada komo. Isi abonoko komo nada komo.
Becky ada mo.
Becky.
Unfortunately.
Donare ya pita wa oko sati mi ami pa no fi awere o wa ri na luga ini anu gbalo ka po yo ga de ai to ba wa la gberu mi talawe we no ka tu yini anu ni aka gbe fi to
Becky shock.
Wori jago go se.
Becky, you shock abi.
Becky,
you shock her.
No. Becky no more. Kwela mwe o Becky, Becky amane kwenu eli amo.
Becky, you see your life? You see your life? You want to be like Frank?
Becky no more.
You want to compare yourself with Frank?
Kwela mwe o
You must let go.
Becky amane kwenu eli amo.
Hey, no. Happy weekend. Thank God it's weekend. What you see here?
Adam,
ya ku wera so akale be ke ba ku wera so akale we. Hey, kale we no. Work a priest. Bright.
Awenu via nyore. Anyonu do via. Awenu via nyore. Anyonu do via.
The start me gun 18 bottles plus the cure money am.
Becky, o ga dan yo
Ndu vio.
Awa no se ti gba yan fere webo.
O je no.
Dele Nigeria weye. Uwe se ti du guy. Uwe se ti gbore.
Where's my charger?
Awu sare ni sawe. Wọ́n sọ́wọ́ jẹ̀lẹ̀ gbẹ́dẹ́ tó bọ́ ní kíá. Àwọn wọ́kàrà fọ́mọ́sá ò gbọ́. Àwọn ènìyàn tẹ́ yáwó.
No be lie, my brother.
Oúnjẹ tó gbọ́ra mọ́ ò.
That one clear matter.
Becky náà mọ̀ ò. Gbẹ̀gbẹ́ gbẹ́ra mọ́ ò. Becky ọmọ mi pé mú rẹ̀ ní ọmọ.
Ọmọ wọn kọ́ ni àpẹẹrẹ Becky. Ni wọ́n ní ẹ̀ wọ́n kọ́ sẹ́yìn dẹ̀. Ọwọ́ sẹ́yìn dẹ̀ sẹ́yìn dẹ̀.
Gbẹ̀gbẹ́ gbẹ́ra mọ́ mọ́ ní pé mú rẹ̀ ní ọmọ. Èyí fẹ́ ta màwẹ́sẹ̀ owó làwọn àdúgbò pẹ̀lá mọ́. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ àtẹ̀jẹ̀ agbálí ní á. Láàmúlà ní á.
Share this video. Let me play one last song for Osayande. Osayande. Onyanwana. Becky. Tota. No be video na Osayande. Sayande. Yen wo we kon yo on. But we want pa dia bidu. E Becky on bon understanding one. Becky on ka bon understanding one. Sayande. You want yak bidu. Wonya. Becky no more. Get where I'm well, Becky. Anyone will eat. For sure, if you remember that one. So to be the latest. Ok, non mi one.
Cerchi un'auto usata. Auto Hero ha le offerte che fanno al caso tuo. Ad esempio,
Guarda, in una cosa è saya ada apa yang mana? Last comments where Becky go post. This song na for saya deh. Becky what do you? Kamu tuh yang mana? Asoko. Ebi ya mu o ba yin presa yo. O he won ni go dun. Ma to do mi go. E ko ni to we mo re na ya. Na ni ta ko wa bo na. O ha ti en ko me. Le ki ya you ko me se. E ko ni to we mo re ya. I don't wait till the Isa biwa ena layo. Sali aliata ona ya me kola na yebe. Okwele wa wa ebe. Isa biwa ena layo. Emwero ano mwetuo. Iye emwero ame kwa mwe. Ipalo ne gibe na kome kali mojale. Owa mani no le nyanya. Yes. React me one say what talk day. Off Gagbula Katikop. Share this video. Let's go there. As you all know, this is from VICTOR UMENWAN one of the universe. They are almost women. No, they are lalo. They no because me one no. Any name you want to call me, I accept the name. No. But for my lovely people that know who I am, I want you. Now, happy weekend. Becky, love you. Hey, Becky, love you. I'm no we are no. Ameze novia sagbon bo. Becky love Larry. Ni ye gbera wo. Ona ye ra we. Ali slot highway wo. Ijera wa. Becky love. Shift closer. Becky love. Viens ni quoi Becky. Becky viens ni quoi. Becky viens ni quoi. Viens ni. Becky viens ni. Viens ni. I'm live. I can't pick this call. Now, guys, share this video. Let me first share my share first. Before we start. Before we kick off the beach. Before we go to the beach. And the beat. And the beat. Becky love. This beat where you don't collect now, a small beat you don't collect now. Oh God. Oh, now why we ain't stay from back? Now we ain't stay from back. You know me. What's why you here? What do you give Baba? Who are here? God give Italy. Becky, two were here. God give Italy. For a second, what God? You go God for Italy. You go God for Italy. The way woman the gag man. Now so they go gag you. Last. Now characters you go sit down. Una wa gbe pe motor. Una day. Una do talk introduction. Am I just ordinary introduction. Una do total. Una do sit down. Sit down top. Am I you who as a housewife? You don't dey constitute nuisance. I want me go your own now. Who he was stop people to see how viable. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? What am I saying? Oh God. Oh God. He shocked me. All right. What's everything, amen? I want to share this video. You guys should help to split this video. It's a splitting system. I already play Becky music just now. Now, my people, yesterday I came categorically about Becky. To let the whole world know what is happening, the situation at hand right now concerning Becky and Usayende. Ladies and gentlemen, when Becky watched that video, Becky was totalized. How did I know and how did I hear everything that is going on? Then it caused a lot of chaos between Becky and Usayende. Now, let me go straight to Becky's platform this morning and what she has been posting. She has been writing on our platform for you guys to listen. It's time we explain. Because any move Becky made, I deal with you. You know, so that when you get person time, if you get person time, you really deal with that person. The person gonna know so you really get time. You understand? So no worry, I go finish with you. Ego is just on pending. I want me Ego still rise more. Because I think we see a man in this pressure. So you go with Rakiri. You go gather strength. Because you go not body the whole world Tony. They born the view born. Mama stand. Ya wa go why I got again. Oh, bad ordinary you ready. Unless you never wear all that. Anybody will make me up. We collect to straight down. No retreat, no surrender. No pity for any idiot. Any idiot will be leaking. We don't get sense. I don't mind drink. I want you. Oh. He never post now. He never screenshot me post now. Say, before you saga me, fair go pull my shirt. I think say you don't burn the shirt through away. Ha 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 ha. That's Becky. Thank you very much. If I want to beat you, and your shirt are going to wear to beat you. The way they wear my go back better to the beat them. You understand? Before you write anything, first return my drink. Becky, take go whatever. Who can return it? Who can return it? And you mean? Who can return it? Go 5,000 euro. Who can return it? You understand? Yeah, what have you done? Iye go no la iye go and you go when we meet months na ya go say me pamina. Yes, I go deal with na something for this na I go hey. Money we supposed to collect this month, not the drink permission. I me collect am. I like that talk now. $112. Eya dey permit. For all your years you go do highest do me. It's $112. Mo collect e. Eya mo permit. So you get sense. A page ni wa wo do otun gbe. Oya receive ya so many. If you don't know, you should know. If you don't know anything, you don't know nothing. Iye gonna akpiko. Oh, we any stress. A page not one when posted blue film yi. Our markets, the page don't come back. I mean, when I go do life for them. Papa go to smile for the do life for them. All of them don't come back. From Victor, where your brother go post blue film puts. From Victor don't come back. And after this video, I go do live for the Frank Victor. Me, you know, see, it don't come back. Me, shock your left nipple. Oh, you know, now, let's go straight down there. Also, no matter. I post. Why don't you? Anybody that does 10 hours ago, anybody that don't want me to be happy and have joy, happiness, will be far from away from yours. For the rest of your life in Jesus, in your home. Now listen, again, peace. Now why I suppose you will know the idea. TV here, music. Becky the cry. Hey, Becky. When you go you go wrong tire. Oh, so boy TV away from her. Oh, so boy set him away from Becky. Eba we go so when my go we am working. Mami water is depressed. Ogbanje is depressed. When no be me, oh, where you just a lot of people. I don't understand these women anymore. I don't understand this Ibiaga. I don't understand this Ashawo. Whenever we are me, oh, we are men now is not putting hand in joy. Cry to God. Babala, don't me elephant. Follow boy. Where are you? I am depressed right now. Frank, what the enemy? If I come as well, okay, I'm going one. I'm as well. I'm going to enjoy my oh God, a marriage na green villa. A mazo ma go enjoy. A mazo I saga be one. Feel papa, do your pop. You never said anything. Now, when Becky dropped this music, these videos we are the children, so when they see you, as he drop them, now go comment section. Now comment section, you go know the pain. We Becky the pass through. Oh, Becky's really in pain, man. Somebody come right. If I know Jackson Freya, that one say lovely. You give her like precious business. Correct. My friend don't want to come back to see. Didn't want to come back to in ex-boyfriend again. Now, guys, now listen to. Let me explain the whole scenario now. What did they happen? Now, conversation already talk all the whole story. What did they happen now? Osayande ex-girlfriend. Now, friend to this precious business. Yes. Precious business now is now writing on Becky's sorrowful song. Sorrowful moments, sober moments where Becky did yesterday. Now, the girl now they write, say, Precious now they write to Becky, now they console Becky and say, Becky now worry, say, if friend no one come back to his ex-boyfriend again because he's married I am so sorry for what happened. Now, what happened is me now busting the code of what is happening between Becky and Usayende yesterday. Now, Vera Benjamin, all right, my love. That one I know, or you know, wife account, or blah, 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 those kind, those puppies. You understand? So, then, another person I saw touching. This scenario is so touching. Oh God, everywhere don't bust. It don't bust, mama. It don't bust, fire get tried, it don't bust, mama. It don't bust. Now, let's go there. Let's smash forward. So, when that person right say what happened, you understand? For what really happened, you understand? Now, Becky replied, precious business. Because nothing happened. Your friend lie against me. God will punish your friend. Now he's trying to let Precious Nano say, Usayende ex-girlfriend lie against Becky to Usayende. God will punish the S according to Becky here. And Becky also further to write again says this same precious business. God will punish you. You think I don't know it's your fake account? Wait for me with your family. I am coming. Now, this is it. Becky now thinking precious business is fake account to Usayende X. You understand? Usayende X. Yeah, why draft to Waladia? Yeah, yeah, many you want you must worry you. Oh, must worry you. Oh God. Oh, must worry no man. Come on, suck Bombi. Becky the win. Me when no when. Ye go no ye when gosso. Ye go ye by when gosso na you cook. You he cook man ye go ye when cook man. Ye go vie when kwame. Ye go vie when kwame. Ye go vie when kwame. Avia wo avia wo azik bodo. Ko go the tete. Oh beg. Now, let's continue our analysis. It is very sweet life. Are you guys enjoying the analysis? If you are enjoying it, say write down Papa. Because this weekend go too sweet. Because a lot of things is going to be exposed. Now, when Becky comes and say, I am coming from you and your family. Now, precious business can reply, are not in a lie, please. Or they go with me. It's not go with I not in a lie, please. That is now. Why that hearing us? Then Suzanne Bayo can reply. Because say Becky is like DJ Don betrayed you. Becky is like DJ Chris Don betrayed you. God, it don't boss. Now Becky can reply Suzanne. Say Susu. No. DJ never betrayed me. Then after that comment, now maybe provoke. Now maybe right at today. This life, one thing I believe, if nobody talk about you, you are nobody. Be careful for who you call your friend. Be careful for whom you love. Hello? Because you can't put love. Be careful for whom you love. Now, Becky now got the trauma straight down to Usayende. Where in love. Are you hearing me? No, you are not hearing me. You are not giving me love alive. You are not here. You are not sharing this video. Inside there, so as the rise, they drop that comment. You think they touch her for body. Now I'm not go to the comment section. The comment section is sweet past. Becky, baby, Becky, you never see anything. You go, hey, This is what you do so. Okpentenye. That's what they call Okpentenye. Becky no fit stay. What they call the live video. Now Becky ball out again. Now Becky write on that comment again. We post. You want to come back to your ex-boyfriend. Then listen. Underline this comment. You want to come back to your ex-boyfriend. You want to use me as a bad person. Wait for me and your family. The truth will be out very soon. Hello? Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? Now, Chelsea Mohammed said, I no understand. Precious business replied to that statement. Please forgive my friend for what happened. Forgive my friend for what happened. Now, this is a shock now. As they shock me, as they sweet me, he go dependent, as he dependent, how much they sweet me, as he sweet me, he dependent, as he dependent, how much they sweet me. Oh yeah, let's go there. Now, what's going to happen? Now listen. Becky now said now Sayande ex-girlfriend now leak her secrets. You see how Becky is stupid. You see the highest stupidity of Becky. Now, she is not even bothered of even cheating on the same called husband. She is not even bothered of packing out of the man's house to another man's house who is called Bright. Wait. Hold on. Even cheating on the same. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. If you are watching this broadcast, share this broadcast and give me love and like and give me thumbs up for this video. Hold on. Let me just shock people a little bit. Hold on. Hold on. Now, that was yesterday. 12 hours ago, the same guy posted Becky again. This is video he posted 12 hours ago. After I did that live video I did today. Yesterday night, after I did that live video, come post this one. Becky sent out this video. Come post on. This one Becky we go no get marriage. Now a new boyfriend he post all this one. So a new boyfriend. Okay. The new boyfriend. You are welcome to Saga. The new boyfriend, you are welcome to Saga. You are welcome to Saga. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. Oh, I can see you. The Saga you are entering. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. It's so unfortunate where I want to wear dead banner. Wait, I never screenshot, I don't screenshot one. Hey Becky, no more. Get where I'm well, Becky. Becky, I'm on it. We move here, mom. Get where I'm well. Get where I'm on it. We move here, mom. All right, please share this video. Help me to share this video. Help. Becky, edited. Boy, dad, my sister told you about it. Because me ya see ya boy to be joke. Me you know that one from man. I go to go meet you. The God will punish you so. If you know the kind of God will punish you so, you for heal. Oh, when no vie biere. we no vie biere, e bien no dovio. Becky, we no vie biere, we no vie biere, e bien no dovio. Gekwe gwera mwe, money, we move yomo. Now, my people, I agree to know better style. What will be the main story, the main issue with the grand now? Becky now signed up get bass goes. Becky signed up post Becky yesterday, no smoke posting. Now, what's lead to the beat yesterday? We Becky to collect beat yesterday. Oh, signed the ex-girlfriend. Friend. You understand? Becky, you did that asty. Can you just imagine? You will come asty. Come snatch person boyfriend. We already did that, Alexandra. They don't do that Torino there. Let's not do Torino there. They do things there. You come that city, you come snatch your boyfriend because you want marry him. You don't only do that one, you carry the same woman, come on, you don't sagara. Even your godfather carry and come out, come sagara, you don't sagara. Okay, fine and good. Now, the woman don't leave this man for you, so you carry go. Since when this man leave this man for you, you don't get rest of mind. A man for one, now bass goes. Now they occur for the marriage. Alpha, hello. Oh, yes, you want a live video, but I speak out. No. I greet you. What? I must greet you. Okay, no shaking. What? You understand? Now, you get the city. Now, the boy now with the friend now. They for Torino. Where he does the last now, which is Bright. You understand? Bright now come be the next boyfriend down. You they come out for my house. For the same region. For the same region. See how stupid you are. You will be say, everybody don't know your story for social media. How you are this man take day. How you can enter this man's house. How you take pack one for France. Come Italy. Which everybody, nobody go say no no. As I see on the Facebook. Don't hear your gist, your story. The same thing that they leave this same man now. When I share this video, they leave this same man, they go another man's house. They pack loads, they go another house. You can imagine the stupidity. And as they pack the load, men for area, they see you. Say something they saw with you. And they know so you be live video presenter. 4 days ago, we get banamish for this social media because of your matter. Because of your matter. Then you not expect say men not go cast you. You call the expect say they not go cast you. Now immediately they cast you come out bam. Bagam. Now ex-girlfriend. Come on, sister ex-girlfriend. I don't know your name. I don't know you before. Sister ex-girlfriend of Usaide. Wait till be person own. No, they don't leave person. That's number one. If Usaide and your man, he must surely come back to you. That's one thing about me. Don't fight for it. But if Becky want show say me presenter, he want to show Duga or more. Come on, Papa go this I go this go on this go massive go pop. Or no cut, no ojuju she ran where she want go break on no level. Now Becky, I hear say you say they go send want go break ojuju. You want to carry our juju for send can go give that girl. If you don't know make you know now that one already cancel. If I hear that word for your mouth again, if I all lie with me, you understand? If I hear that word for your mouth again, say you dey go say one carry a there, come go give you are person with that guy against you. Don't try yourself. If you want carry anywhere, go any whatever community you want go carry juju, go carry juju. Remove some matter for your mouth. We don't jebo. Abu we go ojo ya oyo ni ya mo prier bebo. Becky nous zara la bon. Igbe aga no o janyon, o just must start. Ne kwena mo, Osman Snatcher. He don't they shock you and say, oh, so I don't they call his girlfriend. Don't go to beg his girlfriend. Oh, so I don't go to beg the ex. Becky now, Becky one is not the SSD. That's on the Bosan. That's what I beat Becky yesterday because Becky the one they insult the girl for Sunday present. Now Sunday stand the ground because Sunday do the talk. Now you don't see how Sunday the talk now. You don't collect what to now. Marriage now when you don't do now, don't scatter. How you want wakana? Where you want run go now? Motona, you don't close house. You don't close house for long bola. Bola when you close house for now. Bola gonna beat you now. You see how stupid you are? For abroad. Hey God. Me my pa turn on you, me my turn on you. No ayo. Yeah, ayo, yo. Me my turn on you, anwanyo. Edia we kana ya deli gbegbegbegbe. Edia we kana ya su. Edia kana ya adeli yeke de ku ya ya. Me my turn on you. Anwanyo. Becky what on now? Pamia and small start. Becky what? Becky, may they assure you now. If you carry that girl, picture come out. Thank God. Your mumu bright. Picture them with me. Your mama picture them with me. You guys say, be bright me say. A bright me you just have to one be bright. You bright me do agbina. Say that you were free to be men. You bright me no you way be away. Va pick call for you man. We no more happen.
Hello daddy.
Yeah, the last.
I don't want to talk now. Want me if I talk where before I contribute. I bet that girl where said the ex-girlfriend so.
Yeah.
I bet more fair in number. We need to fair as Becky don't they carry that girl on social media now. More you use opportunity. I never get the girl number. More fair now. I bet root now root be in it. I bet if they watch my godfather, I bet call us. I beg. We need your attention now because Becky don't they call your matter for inside this matter. So I bet you come and since you say one go bring the paper for you. I bet your kukuma just come and come talk. I beg, Ruth, I beg. We need your attention now. You don't they call your matter and you know that this matter now. You don't they draw you for this matter. I beg. You come as I make come talk. Waiting Apple come talk. I beg, Ruth, I beg. We need your informant, I beg.
Thank you.
Now you they drag you for social media. Thank you, Daddy.
What? It's not root. Which kind of root? Now, when you might be now, I go. When I root. If they drag you, if you like come out, if you like don't come out. Not the first person. You know, you want to pay me. For I will fight for this, you must pay me. But if it's not Becky, not pay, not what I will beat Becky for you. I'll beat her, beat mama, beat all your children for this social media. For your mother, now we talk. You guys say Becky. Oh, boga back. Oh, boga said that's it. Mabuta. Gay preserve, gay preserve. Oh, go get yola. He married lipstick. Where my lipstick? Yeah, we boy official. Yeah, official eyelash. Eyelash in official. Yeah, no, you know me. Mega official eyelash in winning. You will suffer from. But I want to fix my life very soon. Oh God, they don't post. I want to fix my eyelash. Yeah, if fix eyelash, you're not gonna get eyelash. Yeah, if fix any, then you wait for me. Yeah, my whole way to shoot that. Well, again, my one here. See my lipstick here. I love boy. The stick in one in a kia. If I call Frank, I want you. I didn't stick. Who did Becky one? The actor be Becky, I'm going before. I'm before. Yeah, I get business now. I will share everything down. You didn't have to go. You go where you go. You go. I couldn't better one. I could go Spanish. Iye go na ekwe better. I need to go carry belle. If for one dress like you going to go carry belle. I'll get belle. I'll get my nyans be passing you go nyans. That's the problem. You go get flat nyans. I go to work. I need to cut off my nyans. Who want buy nyans? I want sell my nyans. I want sell small for my nyans because my nyans big passing you go nyans flat. Also you can't do it. You can't one lag way. We don't understand why you far ni you go wali kizike yo why ekbu why na bon so why we why you go oh you what this alo kwele na ba o me wa ka wena we me ko ta gbuwe ato we work here agbuwe o me ma gbuwe na ba bana me to me obu I will not go winner. And the Tom, I went po. Get a we go out, when I go when I'm a small pada. We go a small pada. He may me what make you go. Me what a carry. If you know a shock or we. What I make you what I lick it. What are you? Who had a small pada? Oh, Borek baby. Oh, Borek baby, one of Pebbles. Amen. They can wear a pada. We have a small white native chalk pada. What those nature what they use without miss? Ni not bad, ni not bad. I don't miss with the pada. I don't use sucker. Me, I want to get sucker. Salu, boy, Frankie, what? And then you take very. Oh, my God. Oh, I was so married. What to do? Now, Oceana is not begging the ex-girlfriend. Are we Frankie? Who they give this guy information? Who they feed this guy information? Becky, you will know that I'm a detective. You understand? Bagam. Bagam. You are welcome to the show. Anybody knows see Kawe, Becky. Iran is job and you will be away. When you breath, you be away. Anybody knows see Kawe. You never see anything. Just the play. Let me drink. Now, for me, more. You say there is counsel. You say there. Or to say there is out of my way. You is a guy. Yes. That one me on my own. No. I don't know if anybody wants to get their family down. Becky has done my comment. To me, more about this man. You say there is counsel. You is a guy saying there. But you mother Becky where a brat, a family brat in your soon woman on national pistol. Anywhere you wrong, cool. Sunday, you have your Sunday, you see collect. But the legal will beat you. If you format your brain now, you go back to your, what's it called? Your girlfriend. If they want to see this single, I don't know, I don't know. It's my business. If they want to see single, and wants to go continue to the date, inshallah, you got my blessing. Oh God, as the king, you have my blessing. Off work, I will pray for you guys. So why I get them? Why I get them? I know that well. It's just what once I know, I will pray for you, and I will pray for the girl. The Becky no zoom down. So c'est quoi is you worry. You understand? The Becky all lubiri the year, no lubiri. All lubiri. E Becky go lubiri. All lubiri ko. E Becky go lubiri. Adam go hen. Adam be for now. Lubiri. Adam be for now. Becky for. God. Are you before? And I Becky for. Are you where Joa? Are you where Jomo? Where no yo? Are you where Jomo? Where no? Are you SC Gio Sayande? No yo? Are you SC Gio Sayande? Are you Becky for? A Becky, a Lubirio, oh my baby, Lubiri, who be a Becky, are you Becky for who be a Becky Lubiri, a Becky who done. Oh, no, Mary, my young, or swag back, Ben, hello, is when you know, it's yonder, or swag your Yannick on it. Wonderful. Anyway, dear, sign the anyway, Zua. Sign the anyway, car. Oh, my pick call. Hello?
Hello, Daddy.
Yeah,
thank you. God will bless you. God will bless you. As you say, you know, go saga, say them mother again. Fear not, I don't know as I want to tell you better. I they do a cozy. But as you don't use your mouth talk, and God will bless you. Wow. God will bless you. But as I heard them, Wetin I go tell you. I hear say the girl sit there your ass. I beg. Finally, because I know say you not get what you go use that do again because another man don dey post am. You understand? No man go tolerate that kind of nonsense. Mani here do my zuo, ogbeno zuo. You understand? So I know normally, but what I go try tell you be say, make it come out so that your mama picture me myself I never stop because your own mama don't hang that for all first. But I felt the reason now. Until this girl, this idiot, she no mommy water no matter now. If you never come out finally, even though say they ask no problem, no shaky. You know if you do me anything because now my Zoom day. Now you go come out for me. If you say you want day, they go use lesson. Asti, na small asti, Torino na small asti. But you shock how the matter take play. You understand? That in a God will bless you. This guy na gentle guy, but I don't know why he can't go the mingle with people who are not responsible. I don't know why. Na gentle guy. If you don't cool down, say Betty, don't come up for your life. Make it come my husband, I'll give him. Make my husband find work for that they happy. Even his friend, they work for there too. His friend, they work for there. May he see go they work for there. Now better thing. They see small money. Now better guy or Becky want you spoil your life and with the people where they me go with.
Thank you. Thank you.
Daddy, God will bless you.
Thank you.
Becky, do how far now?
Becky, I dare.
Go.
And they betrayed me. My friend betrayed me.
Prince Bright, you are welcome for Saga.
Yes.
Your mama is welcome for Saga. Isaac Bijou, Prince Bright. Isaac Bijou. Now this woman will take the place and mama was ahead there now.
Yes, now. He don't take over.
He don't take over. You never see something.
He don't take over.
He dey show me the play.
He don't take over.
Thank you, Daddy.
What? If they really say don't go to date a year, you never see anything. Prince Bright, Oboga is a dawe. Agent on road both life and he tests you. Agent on road winning off like all thing for a query. I say, boy, social media now. Come here, me no matter. You go know the kind of girl when you go jam. You go jam the wrong girl. The girl without virus. Becky, I posted Becky. Make I tell you as a guy, man, they shop Becky, the clean man, they run. They don't post Becky. They don't sample Becky. He may dodge with Becky. She know now. I'm not going to stop my area. As this on your whole and so for her, so I'm not hold Becky for her life, but you know rich now. You understand? I hear Becky has sample. Becky no water, you know water. I will. We were 100 years old woman ya sample myself. You may ya we go no wa. Me ga mo ya le the street. You bola I come here we got the body we got you. You understand? E Becky on agbe Becky ma so ko Becky ye kpukere. Very dirty woman. E cream wa mo the cream. Wa ga yin na ya bo na ya. E na ya see all this one blah blah blah. Becky na be coke and fatter. E na yellow. E na e go na ya black. E na yellow. E na black. All those kind look, all those kind of women. You understand? E Becky Giena. If you see in Yash now, you go get a black. You laugh, you get one dot with the laugh. You want koto with it. It's a lobo. E kotora ora hara. Even for you say Bekus get gallop. If you did not can get where your bola go hit, you go shock you. That's why they talk say in iron day Bekus. Let me put the talk say iron day Bekus. If you did not Becky, get where your bola go touch, you go shock you. So they go know what they talk so not truth. Anybody we don't knock and go see the find the talk truth. And are they exposed now because not be blind video presenter. That's why I'm not go talk. But because me not talkative. Since this woman can disgrace and go disgrace and go inside kri inside avumavu inside achisco achiwele. As I started open up, I started the red like tomatoes the red. To the red. It's a wow funky. Who is the carry quick ya? Who is the for fight on back? On your right, go. Where are we? Where banya or backbone? Baby, off the light, off which lights? I don't buy you my car. Let me see what I'm going to. If I'm going to hellfire, let me see the hellfire. That's an hellfire in the red. That's in the hot. Oh, God. Oh, you're going to run in your sister. Okay, yeah, godmother. Godmother. Oh, the way you don't infection of body. You make it with your small panda, white thing, go dit is a fucking really. No, wait to women with the ass, when they wash me. What did they make when they get small thing for that because all those white things? Because I see them, I know say that's not true that they talk about. No. If you know, so you know that say that thing when I truth say that it really happen, I better call me to explain. Because I don't really know why. Because you see, they be like, it can be like native chalk where they mash with water. You know what I mean? Pata. When you go feel like you go to check, go make pete for like this. Say, oh, now you come me, no, you do who na. I bet cream, you know. Me and this is not cream. Me to make cream you he. I mean, I'm biko. But this one. Nah. Be like all those small powder. They did because actually young. You go to shout. Victor, Bemois. Oh, vibrating, when I moto no hands salo bois. Frankie Mirine. Imienwa bonne, osie ni na gbegbe yemu he. Ami we ni Miami e dege gbegbe umenwa na wo he. O pe ana mo he o na gi ni vie kwe no yo. Oh no na gi mo he. Uze bo o mu yo wa. Agbona na do mi he. Iwa agbona be si ha yi. Unu ya o we na gbo. Agbona ka to ba. Eteme ni pia. Ke me teme ni gbo. Wa ga gbu he o. Dere lu wa be kedari wa. O sa gu me nware ni mi u hegbe. Mda no ma mi u hegbe. O go agita audio. I do my drink and agbu he. Oh, man, understand? No, I explain to me. Becky. Hey, Becky, no more. Get where I'm well, Becky. Becky, I'm on it with Mugario. I'm going to give it. You see that? Becky, get where I'm well. Get where I'm on it with Mugario. Get when I'm well. Get when I'm money when Mugario. Becky. Iwe no vianyori. Anya no dovia.
Let's go there.
Mami water ni saro ni son. No ready baye. Moto ati Italy dale home. Becky omo ne we mu ready omo. Udera gbon. All that glitters are not gold. A Becky the Buddha down back here. Why you not want the baby to?
A Becky no more. Get when I'm well, Becky. Becky, I'm on the way to ready.
Don't give a we my me dog. With me, and lay a who's he way to sour well. Don't be desperate. Get when I'm well, Becky. Becky, I'm on the way to ready. Even the desperation, see, and get where I'm well. Get where I'm on the way to ready. Prince Press, I'll give him Yare. Oh, damn way. When I home for Yaro.
Back in the sofa on the side. Go out there and do that.
Becky, I'll market now.
If you're gonna come, nada como. If you're gonna come, nada como.
Hey, yo, boy, yo. Becky, how market?
Hey, Becky.
When my mama work with
Jesus,
you, my son, we are bien. No more, man. I'm not going to say it.
What was that in your panofia away? What was
No,
Ninian of Balocapo Yogade.
I don't drink.
I to Bawa Guru Talawe. When I got to Union and Nina Cap with Fitter. What is Yago was saying?
Oh, yeah.
Becky, you could well. Becky, no more.
Yeah, well, I'm well. They left my balance.
Becky, I'm on the Becky, no more. Becky, Becky, I'm on the way. Oh, I damn it,
Becky, very sorry. Sorrow for you, my dear. Very sorrow. Now let's go to TikTok. Yes. Let's go and disgrace and disgobolize Becky, Mami Water, Mr. Ronson. A TikTok can be a disgrace. Yeah, disgrace social media worldwide. But no, waiting the young. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Either even boy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to TikTok. Umengwan TV or TikTok.